G'day guys, Paul Belcher from Roberts Real Estate and welcome to my new listing at 51 Charlotte Street in beautiful Norfolk. We've got a 3-bedroom weatherboard home, lovely large open plan living, under house storage with a fully secure yard. We're walking distance to all services New Norfolk has to offer. Let's go in and take a look. We're in a great location, fully secure yard, barbecue area. If you've been looking to step into the market or to invest, look no further. If you'd like more information or to book an inspection, please don't hesitate to call me. I'm available 7 days a week and I'm here to help.